In this video, I'll show you how to create video voiceovers with ElevenLabs in 2026. If you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, social media content, presentations, or other videos, ElevenLabs can help you create professional AI voiceovers without recording your own voice. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. After logging in, open the text-to-speech, studio, or video-related feature available in your workspace. Next, prepare the script for your video. Make sure the text is clear and properly organized. If your video has multiple sections, you can separate the script into different parts to make editing easier. Now choose an AI voice that matches the style of your video. You can explore the available voices and select one that sounds professional, friendly, energetic, calm, or dramatic depending on your content. Paste your script into the appropriate text editor and review the available voice settings. Depending on your current ElevenLabs interface and plan, you may have different options for controlling the voice's delivery and sound. Now generate the voiceover. ElevenLabs will process your script and create the AI-generated narration. Once the audio is ready, listen to the entire voiceover carefully.